What's up everyone? Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Maya.
If I like it, then that's what I get. Yeah. I want it, I got it, I want it.
Welcome to part 2 of the moving vlog. So if you don't know, I am 19 years old. I go to Howard University in Washington, D.C., which means I'm moving to Washington, D.C. Okay. If you saw my last vlog, if you know, you know, we got the sleeping boy all the time sleeping. Oh, he woke up, never mind. Okay. What I was saying was, a lot of people don't know this, but I love reading. I own, oh man, this is like a bad angle. Sorry, Devin. Oh, so, something that a lot of people don't know is that I love reading. I own a bunch of books and hair in my mouth. I had to bring them here. I couldn't bring them to college my first year just because I didn't have enough room, but look at this. So this is just the little like TV entertainment system. Not done, obviously, don't judge it too hard right now, but I just wanted to fill these with books, make it like aesthetically pleasing. So my book style really varies. I really like poetry books, but then I am a for self-help and like inspirational motivational books. For example, like give me whiskey words and a shovel and done in like 30 minutes, or give me something like this, everything is F word, and then, you know, this one's a little bigger, so it'll take me a couple more days, but like the point is just that like I love both of these, and I'm kind of deciding, do I want to do like poetry on one, self-help on the other, spread it out. I'm sure this is going to change like 10 more times, but let's just get a good overview, I guess. Okay, something I've always wanted but literally never had before, and I don't know why, but it's just one of those like day changing things. I don't even know what this is. It's called countdown calendar, and it's gray and white. This was originally for my dorm when I thought I was living in one, but you know, we know how things go, and it still matches this place, so we're gonna open it. Yay. Oh my gosh, look at it. That is so cool. What's the date? But this is cute. And look, you could just change it as the times go on. Okay, so it's the next day. I haven't done anything, just kind of been hanging out, but we need to organize my closet because look. So pretty much these are just some clothes that I was able to get. I have the rest of them in the closet, so I need to start hanging them up. I need to go get bins and just kind of getting life together. Something so random, but something that I think makes the biggest difference is the hangers that you use. I love these hangers. These are just gray velvet ones. I get them from like Marshalls, HomeSense, that whole little trio of stores. They like hold your clothes really well, and I just like having matching hangers. I know it's not that important, but that's what I do. Look how cute this is. Forgot I even had it. It's a Juicy Couture like tennis dress. Oh man, so cute. Okay, funny story. I literally cut this like myself for one night of an outfit, which I'll insert a picture right here what the outfit was, which was like cute, but like I didn't even post, and I literally cut my sweater just for that. Good times, good times.
It's not for me to say you love.
I think we are just about done. So like I said earlier, this is just like a rough start of what this closet will end up looking like, but I have like jackets, Howard clothes, sweaters, sweatsuits. These are some dresses, but like I don't like them there. I don't know. I'm thinking shoes are gonna go up there. I'm gonna put 2 drawers, maybe shoes there. I don't know. I still have all this to put away. So we are in the bathroom now. Not much, if anything, has changed since the last thing I showed. But I do have one thing that I don't really like about the bathroom. And it's something so small and something that really doesn't make a difference. I just feel like I need to point it out. It's this. Wait for it. It'll start. So I don't know if you can hear it, but it's blowing air. And you know, I know the point of it. I know they have to have it, but it automatically turns on, and so I have to turn it off every single time. And I don't know where it stemmed from. I don't know why. I just hate it so much. And I feel like it's gonna be so annoying having to turn it off all the time. But I mean, first world problems, it's not a big deal. I'm just here complaining about nothing. But yeah, half of my bathroom stuff is not here. I just have this bin, which is like my college things, but not really the rest of my stuff. So we're gonna put that away, see what's up, and whatever, I don't know. So these are my favorite towels, and you know, to me, towels are so important, and this is one of those bath wrap ones that I got from Kohl's. It has like a Velcro strip across the chest, so you can like wrap it around you. And I mean, I used to not see towels like this. I know these are really good for like communal bathrooms and you have to walk around the hallways, but I really like them just for the purpose, like when I'm doing my hair or something. I hate putting clothes on and getting products all over. So I'll just put this on, leave it, it doesn't fall. Normal towels like that fall all the time. But yeah, it's something so random, but I really love these towels.
It's not for
Everything's just kind of in its own place. I have to organize. I have so much more stuff to bring, and it's insane because I thought I brought everything, but the more that I put things away, the more I realize I don't have anything. Oh, also look at this cute mirror. This is from Marshall's. I'm not even sure where I'm putting this. Maybe in here, I don't know. But I have an entire little soap thing to put there that is at home again, but I think we are going to, I don't actually know. I don't know what we're doing the rest of the day, but we'll see.
to say you love.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
It's
Don't want you to see the room. Okay, we're back. Got the bins. Time to organize the rest of this closet. So since the last time I vlogged, literally nothing's changed. As far as the closet goes, still have a bunch of stuff with no location. So we're back. Finally got our little bins. I just got 2 of them. They're from Target. They're gray. As you can see, they both have 3 drawers.
me to say you.
Okay, so I have not put anything away yet, simply because I am conflicted. Now, I'm just being very dramatic right now, if you can't tell, but I'm conflicted on where to put what. So obviously I want to keep all my jeans and pants in one and then shirts in the other, but it's like, how do I divide the shirts? Because in my college dorm, I was able to do like sweatpants, leggings, and then like graphic tees, regular tees, crop tops, going out shirts. But I honestly don't know what I have. Like, I think I sold a lot of my graphic tees, for example, so like I can't make it an entire section because I probably only have like 2 or 3 now, but we'll see. And I probably am going to change this around so many times before the end of this. Also, I watch a bunch of organization videos all the time, and there's so many different techniques on how to fold your clothes and put them away. So I'm curious how I should do it, but we'll see. Like I just said, I'm probably gonna change this like 30 times. There's probably gonna be a video in the next month that's like reorganizing my bedroom. I don't know. But okay, let me do this. I'm stressing for literally no reason right now. Okay.
Me to say you love.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
Okay, so this is an exact example of what I was just talking about. So if you see right here, I started putting away just like plain full shirts, you know, if I'm wearing jeans and want to grab a regular t-shirt. These are all those, right? But then I have shirts like this. This is, it just says I'm everything I'm, what is it? I'm everything I need. So cute. I wore it on Valentine's Day in high school, but it's a crop top. So it's like I want to differentiate crop tops from full shirts, but then I want to also differentiate shirts with sayings on it. Just because, you know, sometimes I don't want to have sayings on my clothes. I don't know. I feel like I'm just making this harder than it needs to be, but this is like my problem because I have no clue how many shirts I have with sayings on them. Probably like 2 or 3, so I don't even know where to put them. Again, I keep saying this, first world problems. I'm probably maybe complaining a lot, I don't even know, but I truly am just like super thankful and grateful and everything. Like, I keep saying it as well, but you know, there are some things that I'm probably caring about that I don't need to care that hard about. Okay, let's keep going. So I haven't worn sneakers since March, for real. And prior to March, I was pretty much only wearing like Uggs and slippers because, you know, I was at school, it's a little cold. But putting my shoes away, I forgot how much I love sneakers. Now, there's more to put away, and, you know, I don't think this is even gonna work out the way I have it done, but we'll see. But I am just in awe. I forgot how much I love sneakers. I keep saying this. Like, these ones, oh my gosh, special place in my heart. I wore them first day of senior year, and then I didn't wear them again. And then when I say I love sneakers, I also love heels, but then I also love sandals. And I have a massive heel collection, like way too many to count. I wasn't even gonna bring all of them, but I think I'm gonna, just because I can't see my room yet, that I'm gonna get this like shelving unit, and it has so much space for heels. I just dropped it, but I think that's what I'm gonna end up doing. I don't know, I'm like getting, ooh, and it's kind of sad because I'm never gonna leave the apartment because everything's online, but I'm about to step for Instagram. Wow, okay, I need to start wearing my shoes, but okay, that's all I wanted to say.